Hi, my name is Albina Manning, and today I want to show you how to use a wig jig to make these beautiful earrings. So to make this project, we will need a wig jig with specs, 18 gauge dead soft wire, 3 jump rings for each earring, the bead, I already had it wire wrapped, and ear wires, of course. First, we will place one peg in a jig. I secured with a plastic, look like this, stopper. So we have wire. If it has some curve, it's okay. So just eyeball the center of the wire, put it like this, and cross it like this. Notice I'm pulling the wire ends. Then place a next jig to this position. I'm working one peg at a time, and wrap this wire end around the peg like this. You may use pliers to pull the wire. Okay, I'm placing next peg here, and do the same. I'll wrap it around the second one. Pull this wire as well. Okay, notice these wires will go parallel to each other like this. Okay, actually what we're almost done, so we can remove the wire. We have this Celtic design. Then we use the cutters and cut the wire using about 1 centimeter or so above the upper loops. Okay, then I'm using round nose pliers to make loops, and this loop will go on the right side. Okay, let me separate the wires with, so you make a loop until it touches the wire. Do the same with another end. Okay, you may use your hands and put them together. Make sure the little loops are on the same level, something like this. Then what we'll use, I probably will not use it. I have a bench block and a chasing hammer. So what I will do, I'll just hammer the loops only. Okay. Just fixing it. So we have this element done. I have already prepared the bead. So what I'll do, slightly open one of the smallest loops, slide the bead, and sliding it's on the bottom. There you go, it's there. Now we can close the loop. Now I have already pre-opened 3 jump rings. So what I'll do, using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, so I can use a bend nose and chain nose pliers, close one ring. Okay, let's do the same with second loop. Okay, then I'm taking the third jump ring. I pass it through 2 jump rings that we just attached, like this. Add the ear wire, close the jump ring. Ta-da! So we have one pair of earrings.